I welcome you into the Saturday Puja of Lord Venkateshwara. Close your eyes with Namaskar Mudra. I call upon the Divine Lord Venkateshwara along with Sri Devi and Bhudevi. I call upon the Mother Father of the universe. I call upon Lord Ganesha. I call upon my Gurudev. I call upon all the holy Siddhas, the great masters, and the entire Siddha Mandal, the Guru Mandal, and the Saptarishis. Breathe in and visualize Lord Ganesha. Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Think of your Guru. Narayana Samarambham Vyasashankara Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. Open your eyes now and apply little kumkum to the diyas or candles. Deepatvam Brahmaruposi Jyotisham Prabhuravyayah Saubhagyam Dehi Putranscha Sarvan Kamanscha Dehime. Take some water with your left hand from the glass and place it into your right palm. Om Keshavaya Namah. Swallow the water. Some water again into your right palm. Narayanaya Namah. Swallow the water. Again water into your right palm. Madhavaya Namah. Swallow the water. And then with a spoonful of water, wash your right hand into a small plate. Govindaya Namah, Vishnave Namah, Madhusudanaya Namah, Trivikramaya Namah, Vamanaya Namah, Sridharaya Namah, Hrishikeshaya Namah, Padmanabhaya Namah, Damodaraya Namah, Sankarshanaya Namah, Vasudevaya Namah, Pradyumnaya Namah, Aniruddhaya Namah, Purushottamaya Namah, Adhokshajaya Namah, Narasimhaya Namah, Achyutaya Namah, Janardhanaya Namah, Upendraya Namah, Haraye Namah, Shri Krishnaya Namah. Offer your gratitude to the Creator. Now take some rice kernels or akshata and smell them. Uttishtantu bhuta pishachaha ete bhumi bharakaha etesham avirodhena brahma karma samarabhe. Throw it onto your left. Now close your right nostril and hold. Purakam kumbhakam chaiva rechakam tadanantaram pranayamam idam proktam sarvadeva namaskritam. Relax. Let's do the sankalpa. Close your eyes with Namaskar Mudra. Mama upatta samasta duritakshay dwara Shri Venkateshwara Prityartham Asmakam Sahakutumbanam Kshema Sthairya Vijaya Abhaya Ayuhu Arogya Aishwarya Abhivrudyartham Dharmartha Kamamoksha Chaturvida Purushartha Phalasiddhyartham Dhanadhanya Samruddhyartham Ishtakamyartha Siddhyartham Sakala Loka Kalyanartham Veda Sampradaya Abhivrudyartham Asmin Deshe Govadha Nishedhartham Go Samrakshanartham. Think of your goal or desire and seek the blessings now. Alamelu Manga Padmavati Sameta Shri Venkateshwara Devata Muddishya Yavat Shakti Pujam Karishye. Now we are doing the Panchopachara Puja. So close your eyes with Namaskar Mudra and visualize the Lord sitting in front of you. Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwakaram Gaganasadrusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Hrudyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikkanatham. Alamelu Manga Padmavati Sameta Shri Venkateshwara Swamine Namah. Dhyana Avahanadi Shodashopacharan Manasa Samarpayami. Place some akshata at the Lord's photo. Narayanam Parabrahma Sarvakarana Karanam Prapadye Venkateshakhyam Tadeva Kavacham Mama Sahasra Shirsha Purusho Venkatesha Shirovatu Pranesha Prananilayah Pranam Rakshatu Me Harihi Akasharat Sutanatha Atmanam Me Sadavatu Deva Devottamah Payat Deham Me Venkateshwaraha Sarvatra Sarvakaleshu Mangam Bajanirishwaraha Palayen Mamakam Karma साफल्यं नः प्रयच्छतु। य एतत् वज्रकवचम् अभेद्यं वेङ्कटेश्वरः सायं प्रातः पठेन्नित्यं मृत्युं तरति निर्भयः. Get ready with your incense now. Offer the incense to the Lord. दशांगं गुग्गुलोपेतं गोघृतेन समन्वितं धूपं गृहाण देवेश सर्वलोकनमस्कृत. अलमेलुमंगा पद्मावती समेत श्री वेंकटेश्वर स्वामिने नमः धूपमाघ्रापयामि. Get ready with your candle or diya and offer the diya to the Lord. साज्यं त्रिवर्ति संयुक्तं वह्निना योजितं मया अज्ञाननाशनं देव गृहाण श्रीमनोहर. अलमेलुमंगा पद्मावती समेत श्री वेंकटेश्वर स्वामिने नमः दीपं दर्शयामि. Now offer prasad, either fruits or dates or a piece of jaggery to the Lord. नैवेद्यं गृह्यतां देव भक्तिं मे ह्यचलां कुरु फलानि च सुपक्वानि स्वीकुरु ज्ञानदायक. अलमेलुमंगा पद्मावती समेत श्री वेंकटेश्वर स्वामिने नमः नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि. Get ready with aarti now. Give aarti to the Lord. श्रियः कान्ताय कल्याणनिधये निधयेर्धिनां श्री वेङ्कटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम्. लक्ष्मी सविभ्रमालोक सुभ्रूविभ्रमचक्षुषे चक्षुषे सर्वलोकानां वेङ्कटेशाय मङ्गलम्. मङ्गला शासनपरैर्मदाचार्य पुरोगमैः सर्वैश्च पूर्वैराचार्यैः सत्कृतायस्तु मङ्गलम्. अलमेलुमंगा पद्मावती समेत श्री वेंकटेश्वर स्वामिने नमः कर्पूरनीराजनं दर्शयामि. सुवर्ण दिव्य मंत्रपुष्पं समर्पयामि. Place akshatas and if you have a flower, then flower as well at Lord's foot. Close your eyes now with folded hands. Atma Pradakshina Namaskaran samarpayami. Use the chamara now. छत्र चामर गीत नृत्य आंदोलिका अश्वारोहण गजारोहण समस्त राजोपचारान् मनसा समर्पयामि. Dear Lord Venkateshwara, please forgive me if I did any mistakes in the entire puja, and please always bless me and my family and surround me with your protection bubble always. మంత్రహీనం క్రియాహీనం భక్తిహీనం జనార్దన యత్పూజితం మయా దేవ పరిపూర్ణం తదస్తుతే. అనయా యథాశక్తి పూజయా చ భగవాన్ సర్వాత్మకః అలమేలుమంగా పద్మావతీ సమేత శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దేవత సుప్రసన్నః సుప్రీతో వరదో భవతు. Dear Lord Venkateshwara, bless me, bless my family, bless the country I am living in, bless the entire planet Earth, bless the cosmos and the universe. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahisha go brahmanebhya shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.